Today I'll walk you through how to create a timetable on Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your timetable so you can stay organized and manage your time effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace. You'll want to locate the plus sign, which is your gateway to creating new pages. Simply click on the plus sign. This will allow you to add a new page to your workspace. Next, highlight the new page you just created. This is where you'll begin building your timetable. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. Now click on the page to open it. This is your blank canvas where you will design your timetable. The next step is to select the table view. Click on the option that says Table View. This will give you a structured format to input your timetable data. To create a table, type in /table and choose Table View from the options that appear. This action will insert a table into your page, setting the foundation for your timetable. Once your table is in place, highlight the first column. This will allow you to customize it according to your needs. Now it's time to add and rename columns. Think about what information you want to track in your timetable. Common columns include task, due date, status, and remarks. For example, let's add a column for the due date. Click on the column header and rename it to due date. This will help you keep track of when tasks are due. Next, click on the date column and rename it to reflect its purpose. This step is crucial for clarity in your timetable. Now, let's add another column for remarks. This can be a space for any additional notes or comments related to your tasks. Once you've added the remarks column, rename it accordingly. This will ensure that you can easily identify what each column represents. Next, type in add another one for the status. This column will help you track the progress of each task, whether it's completed, in progress, or not started. Finally, you can rearrange the columns based on your preference. This is like organizing your closet. You want everything to be in a place that makes sense to you. And there you have it. You've successfully created a timetable on Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.